Hey guys, it's PMHK here. So today I was going through my phone and I stumbled across Wish again. No, I've come across this application before, but I haven't tried it at all. But today I decided to try on my phone, downloaded it and was checking it out. Then I decided, you know what? Let me make a video about this application. The reason I'm making a video about this application is because the deals that are there are really unbelievable. Some of them actually you might think that they are scams. So I'm just gonna go through a couple of the things that I saw, obviously with you guys. Now let's just jump straight to the app. Wish South Africa, I'm guessing. Wish South Africa. Oh, okay. We and Wish. So I already signed up for Wish, so I'm gonna not sign up. I need to log in with Facebook. Yeah, logging in with Facebook again. I think it's much easier actually to log in with an already account that you obviously have already created. Oh, so if you guys are not following me on Facebook, obviously you can go ahead and go befriend me on Facebook. I actually have a page and a Facebook account. The page is Homekrafted and my account is Pedro Muanza Homekrafted, which is what PMHK stands for if you guys didn't know. So yeah, look at this. This is what we have in this Wish thingy. So you have a lot of Bitcoins going on. We're most interested in gadget. At least I'm interested in gadgets. I don't know about you guys. Tell me what you guys actually do if any of you uses Wish. Tell me what you do when you go to this application. So earlier on when I was going through this, I actually saw a surprise gift bag, or so I don't know what they call those things, going for 12 Rand. Imagine, these prices are like insane. Okay, here's a mobile phone. This mobile phone goes for 2,800. Nah, that's believable, obviously. Now this Bluetooth speaker, 379 Rand. Like, that's a really low price for something that good looking. At least that's what I think. And going down, you find as a fitness tracker, mobile phone. This is a drone. This is a Mavic Pro looking like drone for 500 Rand. Imagine, from 11,000 to 500 Rand, 95% off. Like, really, this is a scam. Or not, it could not really be a scam, but this is a replica. It's not the original thing. At least tell me what you guys think. I think it's not the original thing. Hence I'm making this video, so I can get you guys feedback on this Wish application. Because from the first time I saw this application, I think I saw an ad on Facebook. I was like, what are these prices going on here? Now here's a PlayStation 4 looking like device. It's called, where's the name of this thing? I don't see the name, but it says that it's 50% off and it goes for 130 Rand. Like, this is definitely not a PlayStation. So if you go and buy this, you're on your own. I'm telling you that this is definitely not a PlayStation. So you're gonna have to be careful when shopping at Wish and lower your expectations. That's one thing you need to do. Because when you get that PlayStation that plays like those old Nintendos, you're gonna be disappointed. You'll play Super Mario on a PlayStation. This is a microphone going for 213 Rand. Imagine, from 1,400. I don't know. I might be wrong. These things might be legit. If any of you have ever purchased something on Wish, just let me know in the comments. Maybe it's a legit stuff. I've seen a couple of people buying things here, but I haven't really followed through to see exactly if they bought something that is good. So moving on, we have a 6 terabyte hard disk drive for 142 Rand. 6 terabyte, that's 6 terabyte we're talking about, to 132 Rand. 142 Rand. You're gonna buy this thing and it's gonna tell you that it's 6 megabyte. Wait. We have another memory here. So let's go down. It's still looking shady to me. Hey, like, this is something else. This is a speaker that looks like a JBL speaker. This is used to be 3,000 Rand, now it's 300 Rand. Like, this is a nice car. Wow, I think this is Kitty's car. Yeah, this should be a Kitty's car. Goes for 3,000. Now look at this. This thing that should be cheaper goes for 3,000 and used to be 5,000. Like, I don't get these things. These are probably, not probably, these are definitely packages or items from China. This device here looks like an iPhone, almost gone. People are actually buying these things. 100 plus bought this thing. Insta Mini, these are actually they like printing paper for those Instax cameras that looks like a Polaroid little camera. And these drones also 272 rand for drone. I know these prices, the price, what? Extreme Pro. I actually have the 64 gig of this card, a similar card. I think is the one that I'm using right now in the camera. This thing I bought it for around 700 rand for the 64 gig. This is 128 gig is 60 rand. Yeah, 60 rand. So anyways, I just wanted to make this video so I could get you guys feedback. I normally give you guys feedback. I want a feedback from you guys. If any of you has ever bought anything from this Wish application, go ahead and leave a like and comment. Let me know what exactly you bought. Did it meet your expectation? Did you actually get exactly what you thought you were getting when you went and buy? And if yes, and if this video get enough likes, we're talking about 100 likes, not less than 100. That's actually little like. I have a video that I have on the channel that there's actually a giveaway on that video. Somebody actually just reminded me I'm supposed to be giving 300 rand on that video, and only gonna do that when it reaches 100, and it's struggling to reach 100. So I think you guys should go and share that video so you guys can get that giveaway very fast. So if this video reaches 100, I'm gonna come to this Wish dodgy website and I'm gonna buy something. I don't know how the delivery works, but obviously if you guys have done this before, please let me know. So yeah, I just wanted to share this with you guys. This is gonna be it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, obviously. Leave a like if you like this video, and I will see you guys on the next one. This is definitely dodgy. This is a dodgy website. Peace. What? PlayStation. This is a PlayStation looking like for 95 rand. Used to be 500. This camera is 250 rand. Wow. This Instax.